Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a chopped sandwich, and I'm going to be using some tomatoes, diced lettuce, Munster cheese, you can use whatever cheese you like, cold cuts, I'm going to be using turkey breast, and let's see what else. I think I have some salami left in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop everything up on this board. I already started with the tomatoes and the lettuce. I'm also going to chop up some pickles. Let me just see if I can find them real quick. Alright, that's going to take me a minute. It's back there somewhere. And, okay, we're going to continue. Then I'm going to add mayonnaise. Okay, and then we're going to spread it all on the sandwich, on some Italian bread that I have here. Okay, so here I have some cold cuts. Okay, you don't have to use the same cold cuts that I use. You can use whatever you like. Okay, but this is what I happen to have, so this is what I'm going to use. This is, I thought it was a smoked turkey breast. It's just a regular breast. Okay, guys, and I'm so glad to have, be making this video. I haven't made a video in a while. I have a few that I haven't posted, but I just haven't been making them. Sometimes, you fall a little behind, you get busy with life. That's what happens. Okay, so that's a little bit of the turkey. Okay, and we're gonna chop up some of the this is the Munster cheese. Should I do all of it? Let's do 3 slices. Okay, that's 2. That's 3, and those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. I'm glad you took the time to stop by and check out my channel. Check out what I'm doing for the day. Okay, and I also have another video that I want to make. I'm really excited about that video, and that is I want to make some scones. I haven't made them in quite a few years. Wow, I can't even say how many years. The last time I made them, my kids were little. So now they're all grown. So that was quite a long time ago. But I want to make a video of scones because I have some orange marmalade that I really want to use. I don't want to waste it. It's a big jar. Okay, here's the salami. I'm going to do about, let's do 4 slices. So I have a big jar of marmalade. I'm looking for things, recipes to use it in. Because I had used it when I made the cheesecake, the ricotta cheesecake. Okay, but it's so much marmalade left that I'm trying to come up with ideas what to use it in. So I said, okay, I can make scones. Maybe I can make thumbprint cookies, cake, stuff like that. Let's see. I hope you guys are in range. Let me see if you can see what I'm doing. All right, so you've got the cheese, you've got the cold cut turkey breast, and you've got the salami. Okay, I feel like I should do a little bit more of the turkey. Just do a little bit more. And I feel like it's too much chopped tomato. Okay. I mean, if you take a look, it seems like a lot. I don't know. Okay, I just want to make sure I'm recording because for some reason I thought I forgot to press the recording button. Alright, so we've got that. Let you know what I did with my tissue. Here it is, okay. Okay, then, give me a second, guys. Okay, so I want to put some pickles in my sandwich also. Now, I'm making this for me and one other person, but they don't like pickles, so they're not going to have any pickles in theirs. And they also don't like mayonnaise. So their chopped sandwich is going to be without the pickles and without the mayonnaise. So, we just cut these up into small dice. Once we're done with this, then we can put everything together. And I gotta remember, no mayonnaise for the first sandwich. Okay. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to separate this. Okay, I'll put it over here. Okay, go around this way. Okay, and the pickles are very salty, so I'm only gonna dice one pickle, just one spear. These are the Vlasic spears. Okay, so I'm only gonna do one of those. All right, let me just rinse my hands. Okay, and like I said, the first sandwich is not going to have any mayonnaise, so I think I better make it in a different bowl. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. And this seems to be a lot of tomato. I don't know if I want to use all of that tomato. Let's just separate some of it. And if we wanted to put it back in, we can do so, but it seems to be a lot. Put the hair. All right, and I'm gonna get my lettuce, which I already diced. Let me just finish rinsing it off. And what I did with the lettuce, I let it soak in a little bit of vinegar for about 5 minutes. Okay. So here's the lettuce. Okay, this seems like a lot of lettuce too, but all right, we'll put a little bit off to the side. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's see if we can get rid of some of these things here. Okay. Move this up a little. Let's get rid of these pickles. Okay, this is just a regular French bread. Okay, let's get some pickles on this knife. Let's get rid of that. In a second. I'm going to put down a little bit of parchment paper here. Oh, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay. There we go. Okay, so the first sandwich again is going to have just, well, you know what, it's a little small. Let me make a, I think it's a little small. Let me make a larger one. There we go. Okay. in this bowl, we're going to mix everything together except for the pickles. Put some of the cold cuts, the cheese, the salami. Let's put everything in there. Oop. Try not to get any pickle in there. Okay, we're going to just mix this all together. Okay, then we're going to take the bread that we just cut. I'm going to slice that down the middle, and we're going to add this in the middle. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure all of this is mixed well, so you don't have like a whole section of just cold cut or the lettuce or tomato. Okay, there we go. Okay, slice this down the middle here. Okay, there we go. And we're going to add our, should get did get a paper plate, but anyway, that's fine. Okay. Here's a whole chunk of salami right there in the middle. And so I was trying to mix it a little bit better than that. Anyway, guys, if you have made a chopped cold cut or chopped salad sandwich, let me know. If you use the same ingredients that I used, you know what, I'm gonna put, I should have put a little bit of oil in there. Let's see, a little bit of olive oil maybe. Vinegar would be nice in here too. So again, let me know in the comments, or if you want to make this, let me know how it turns out. I think I should have cut more salami. Okay. And there is our chopped sandwich. Let me just get a plate so I can show you closer what it looks like. Plate, so not that small, because all that filling is going to come out. Ooh, that's what I'm trying to avoid. Okay, there you go. That's what that looks like. I hope you guys try this, and again, if you do, okay, don't forget to let me know. Come back, let me know in the comments. Okay. And this is going to be for my thumbnail. Let me see if I can get a good picture there. Okay. All right, guys. See you later.